Good morning, children. Welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Vijay Lakshmi, your maths teacher. Students, in the last class you have learned how to tell the time to the exact minute. I hope you all have understood and also practiced the same at home. Today, we are going to learn about the use of AM and PM. Children, suppose if I tell the time as 7 o'clock, you will be wondering whether it is in the morning or evening. To help you to know the time exactly, we use AM and PM. Before learning AM and PM, first you should know what is midnight and what is noon. When it is 12 o'clock at night, you say the time as midnight. And when it is 12 o'clock in daytime, then you say it as 12 noon. Okay. So children, when do we use AM and PM? We use AM after 12 midnight to the time before 12 noon. And we use PM to the time after 12 noon to the time before 12 midnight. So children, do you know what is the full form of AM? Yes, it is called anti-meridian, which means the time before midday. And PM means post-meridian, which means it is the time after midday. Okay? So, when we use AM and PM in the time, we can say whether it is in the morning or night. Okay? So, today let us learn how to use AM and PM in the time we know. Now, let us write AM or PM for the time given here. Suppose Sita goes to school at 8:30. Then can you tell me, is it AM or PM? Yes, it is the time in the morning, isn't it? So we use AM here. Ramu has his dinner at 8 o'clock. So will you tell me the time now? Is it in the morning or evening? Yes, in the evening. So we have to write here PM. So the time is 8 PM. Meena goes to the theatre to watch a movie at 5 o'clock. Can you tell me whether it is AM or PM? Yes, surely it is PM, isn't it, children? So the time is written as 5 PM. Geeta has her breakfast at 8 o'clock. So when do we have a breakfast? In the morning or evening? Yes, in the morning, isn't it? So the time is 8 AM. Okay, children, can you tell me the time now? 25 minutes after 12 noon. We know that the time after noon is written as PM. So, the time will be 12:25 PM. Can you tell me what is 30 minutes before 12 noon? It is the time before midday, isn't it, children? So, we know that 30 minutes before 12 noon is 11:30, and we can write the time as 11:30 AM. Now, what is 45 minutes after 12 midnight? We know that the time after midnight is considered as AM. So, the time is 12:45 AM. So, children, you have now practiced how to use AM and PM in the time given. Okay? So, now, sometimes we may miss writing AM and PM in the time referred. So, what will happen? Yes, you get confused, isn't it? So, to avoid such confusion, we use, or we can say, the railways, the airports and seaports use a different system for telling the time. That is the 24-hour system. In the 24-hour system, we use 4 digits of numbers. Now the first two digits represent the hours and the next two digits represents the minute. So today let us learn how to represent time in a 24-hour system. In the 24-hour system, the day starts at 00 hours and also it ends at 00 hours. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to convert a 12-hour time to a 24-hour time and 24-hour time to 12-hour time. Okay? 24-hour clock. In the 24-hour clock, 12 midnight is represented as 00 hours. Next, 1 am is represented as 0100 hours. 2 am is written as 0200 hours. So, instead of writing am, we use the term hours here. Next, we can extend this timing as follows. 3 am 03 hours, 4 am 04 hours, 5 am 05 hours, 6 am 06 hours and so on up to 11 am it is 11 hours and at 12 noon it is 12 hours. Now after 12 noon the next time is 1 pm, isn't it children? But in the 24-hour clock you start again at 13 hours. So 1 pm is written as 1300 hours. 2 pm is written as 1400 hours. 3 pm as 15 hours and so on. Up to 11 pm it is written as 23 hours. And 12 midnight is again written as 00 hours. So in this way we can convert the 12-hour clock to the 24-hour clock time. So now let us learn how to convert the 12-hour clock to a 24-hour clock. To express the time between 12 o'clock midnight and 12 o'clock noon, we have to write hours in place of am. Then the next thing we have to remember is start off with 0 if the time has only a one digit number. For example, 4:35 am. We write it in the 24-hour clock timing as 04:35 hours. Let us see one more example. 11:15 am. It is written as 11:15 hours. To express the time between 12 o'clock noon and 12 o'clock midnight, we write hours in place of pm. Next, we have to add 12 to the number of hours. Example, 6:30 pm. Now, let us add 12 to the hour, that is 6 plus 12, that is equal to 18. So, the 24-hour time is 18:30 hours. Now, let us see one more example. Okay, 1:15 pm. Now, let us add 12 to the hour, that is 1 plus 12, which is equal to 13. So, the 24-hour time is 13:15 hours. Now, let us convert the 24-hour clock timing to the 12-hour clock timing. Okay. So, to express the time between 12 o'clock midnight and 12 o'clock noon, we write am in place of hours. Then write the time as it is. For example, 10:45 hours. So, in place of hours, we write am. And we have converted the 24-hour time to the 12-hour time and it is 10:45 am. Let us try one more example. 7:30 hours. Now remove the hours and write AM there. And your 12-hour clock is ready. That is, it is 7:30 AM. Now, to express the time between 12 o'clock noon and 12 o'clock midnight, we write PM in place of hours. Then subtract 12 from the number of hours. Example, 1750 hours. Now let us subtract 12 from 17. So 17 minus 12 is equal to 5. So the time is 5:50 PM. Let us see one more example. 18:30 hours. Now in place of hours we write PM. Then from 18 subtract 12. 18 minus 12 is equal to 6. So the time is 6:30 PM. So children, I hope you have understood how to convert a 24-hour time to 12-hour time and a 12-hour time to 24-hour time. Practice more problems, children. Go through the YouTube video, write down the notes and also answer the questions that has been given in the textbook. See you again in the next class. Until then, goodbye. Stay safe and stay home.